Which of the following element produces golden yellow color in flame test? A. Sodium. B. Rubidium. C. Cesium. D. Lithium. The correct answer is sodium. The density of water is maximum at A. 0 degrees C. B. 3.98 degrees Celsius. C. 27.5 degrees Celsius. D. 100 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is 3.98 degrees Celsius. The chemical used as a fixer in photography is A. Sodium sulfate. B. Borax. C. Sodium thiosulfate. D. Ammonium sulfate. The correct answer is sodium thiosulfate. The chemical name of the drug aspirin is A. Acetyl salicylic acid. B. Ethyl salicylate. C. Methyl salicylate. D. Sodium salicylate. The correct answer is acetyl salicylic acid. What is the average fat content of buffalo milk? A. 6%. B. 7.2%. C. 9.3%. D. 10.8%. The correct answer is 7.2%. Which one of the following fuels causes minimum environmental pollution? A. Hydrogen. B. Coal. C. Kerosene. D. Diesel. The correct answer is hydrogen. Which one of the following types of glasses can cut off ultraviolet rays? A. Soda glass. B. Pyrex glass. C. Jena glass. D. Krupp's glass. The correct answer is Krupp's glass. Which one is the major component of honey is? A. Glucose. B. Sucrose. C. Maltose. D. Fructose. The correct answer is fructose. Which part of the eye can be transplanted? A. Iris. B. Lens. C. Cornea. D. Retina. The correct answer is cornea. When ants bite, they inject A. Glacial acetic acid. B. Methanol. C. Formic acid. D. Stearic acid. The correct answer is formic acid. Which one is a good source of vitamin D? A. Moisture. B. Sunlight. C. Pure oxygen. D. Pure sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is sunlight. The bleaching action of chlorine occurs in the presence of A. Gracilaria. B. Laminaria. C. Oedogonium. D. Spirogyra. The correct answer is laminaria. Freons cause great environmental damage. They are A. Mixed carbon gases. B. Mixed chlorofluorohydrocarbons. C. Mixed sulfur gases. D. Free gases. The correct answer is mixed chlorofluorohydrocarbons. Hemorrhagic dengue fever is spread by A. Aedes fluviatilis. B. Aedes albinus. C. Aedes aegypti. D. Aedes meristica. The correct answer is Aedes aegypti. What is the name given to forces that shape and reshape the Earth's crust? A. Diastrophic. B. Exogenetic. C. Erosion. D. Tectonic. The correct answer is diastrophic. Which term is used for the imaginary lines joining the places of equal rainfall? A. Isochrome. B. Isohuet. C. Isoseismal. D. Isonf. The correct answer is isohuet. Human eye is sensitive to wavelength in the range of A. 300 to 390 nm. B. 300 to 360 nm. C. 380 to 760 nm. D. 790 to 800 nm. The correct answer is 380 to 760 nm. Mycobacterium Indicus Pranii is a vaccine recently developed against A. Leprosy. B. Brain fever. C. Tuberculosis. D. Measles. The correct answer is leprosy. Who is known as father of GIS? A. Jack Danger Monk. B. Ian McHugh. C. Roger Tomlinson. D. Jon Snow. The correct answer is Roger Tomlinson. Which of the following devices is used to record humidity? A. Hygrometer. B. Psychrometer. C. Thermohygrograph. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which is the most reactive metal? A. Sodium. B. Calcium. C. Iron. D. Potassium. The correct answer is potassium. The scientist who first discovered that the Earth revolves round the Sun was A. Newton. B. Dalton. C. Copernicus. D. Einstein. The correct answer is Copernicus. Cosmic rays. A. Are charged particles. B. Are uncharged particles. C. Can be charged as well as uncharged. D. None of the above. The correct answer is are charged particles. Typhoid and cholera are typical examples of A. Infectious disease. B. Airborne disease. C. Waterborne diseases. D. None of the above. The correct answer is waterborne diseases. Who discovered bacteria? A. Fleming. B. Lambley. C. Temin. D. Leeuwenhoek. The correct answer is Leeuwenhoek. Soap bubble appears colored. It is due to A. Scattering. B. Interference. C. Reflection. D. Refraction. The correct answer is refraction. Who was the first scientist to relate a star's spectrum to its temperature? A. Meghnad Saha. B. Satyendranath Bose. C. C. V. Raman. D. Birbal Sahni. The correct answer is Meghnad Saha. The group of stars arranged in a definite pattern is called A. Milky Way. B. Constellation. C. Andromeda. D. Solar System. The correct answer is constellation. The plant type which colors the ocean's surface water red is A. Dinoflagellates. B. Golden algae. C. Green algae. D. Red algae. The correct answer is Dinoflagellates. Which of the following is not a planetary wind? A. Westerlines. B. Trade winds. C. Monsoon. D. Polar easterlies. The correct answer is monsoon. Which of the following is a social insect? A. Mosquito. B. Locust. C. Bedbug. D. Termites. The correct answer is termites. Deficiency of folic acid leads to A. Anemia. B. Mental disorder. C. Scurvy. D. Night blindness. The correct answer is anemia. Which of the following has the least wavelength? A. X-rays. B. Microwaves. C. Ultraviolet rays. D. Radio waves. The correct answer is X-rays. In 1905, Albert Einstein discovered A. Photoelectric effect and Brownian motion. B. Brownian motion and special theory of relativity. C. Special theory of relativity and photoelectric effect. D. Photoelectric effect, special theory, relativity and Brownian motion. The correct answer is special theory of relativity and photoelectric effect. Which of the following has the highest ionizing power? A. X-rays. B. Alpha rays. C. Beta rays. D. Gamma rays. The correct answer is alpha rays. Hormone Gastrin acts as A. Stimulates HCI production. B. Causes contraction of gallbladder. C. Water and salt secretion. D. Stimulate urine elimination. The correct answer is stimulates HCI production. GIS stands for A. Geographic Information System, B. Global Information System, C. Graphical Information System, D. Google Information System. The correct answer is Geographic Information System. The compound is used as rocket propellant. A. Nitrogen, B. Nitric acid, C. Ammonia, D. Hydrazine. The correct answer is hydrazine. Which of the following disease is not caused by bacteria? A. Malaria, B. Cholera, C. Tetanus, D. Dengue. The correct answer is dengue. A time series graph is also known as A. bar diagram, B. frequency polygon, C. histogram, D. ogive. The correct answer is histogram. Influenza A, H1N1, earlier known as swine flu, was first detected in A. Thailand, B. Costa Rica, C. Hong Kong, D. Mexico. The correct answer is Mexico. Sugar in blood and urine is tested with A. Benedict's solution, B. Brine's solution, C. Hypo's solution, D. Iodine solution. The correct answer is Benedict's solution. Which of the following is called as royal disease? A. Anemia, B. leukemia, C. hemophilia, D. color blindness. The correct answer is hemophilia. The red color of the blood is due to A. albumin, B. hemoglobin, C. vitamin B6, D. relaxin. The correct answer is hemoglobin. From which of the following biodiesel is obtained? A. ethyl alcohol, B. cellulose, C. bagasse, D. jatropha. The correct answer is jatropha. In fresh water, the salinity level is A. less than 0.03%, B. less than 0.05%, C. between 0.05 to 3%, D. between 3 to 5%. The correct answer is less than 0.05%. Ebola virus was first detected in which continent? A. Europe, B. South America, C. Asia, D. Africa. The correct answer is Africa. Which one disease is associated with H1N1 virus? A. AIDS, B. bird flu, C. dengue, D. swine flu. The correct answer is swine flu. Biofertilizers convert nitrogen to dash. A. nitrates, B. ammonia, C. nitrogenous, D. amino acids. The correct answer is ammonia. The temperature of a distant luminous bodies can be determined by A. pyrometer, B. hydrometer, C. luminometer, D. mercury thermometer. The correct answer is pyrometer.